Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you how to connect your wireless Type-C mic to your Android phone. And this is going to be a step-by-step setup. So let's get started. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find the tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. So the very first thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and bring out the wireless mic, just like what you see right here. So this is the mic I'm going to easily connect. So take a look at it right here. So I'm going to bring the mic out like so. Then I need this, and at the same time I need this. Okay, now how do we connect this and make it work effective on our Android phone? So next thing I'm going to do is to pack this one side, and at the same time I'm packing in this one side. The next thing I'm going to do is to make sure I power my Android phone right here. Then having power my Android phone, you need to make sure you insert it in the bottom of your charging point right here, just like what you see right here. So make sure you insert. Now when you insert, this is going to pump up right here. Once this is pumped up, next thing you need to do is to make sure you choose File Transfer, then hit on OK. Once you click on OK, the next thing you want to do right here is to make sure you turn on your camera. Having turned on your camera, then you now bring out the mic. So what you want to do here is to make sure you press this particular button right here. You press this button to power the mic. And once this particular green button pump up, then the mic is ready to be used. Then you can exit from the mic, from the camera, and then you still maintain the mic to be green right here. So once this particular green here is on the mic, it means that the mic is ready to be used and you can start using it to record. You can go back to your camera and then put it in video section and start recording, and the mic is going to work effectively. It's that simple. So this is what I have for you as far as how you can connect your wireless mic Type-C to your Android phone and the complete step-by-step setup. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.